Imagine jet setting across the globe, all expenses paid, while getting your regular paycheck, whether it's closing deals in New York or attending conferences in Tokyo or taking a relaxation trip that blends business with paradise. Getting paid to travel is more than just a dream. If you're ready to get paid to travel, in today's video, I'll show you 6 companies that will pay you to explore the world. Now, taking 2 to 3 vacations per year is great. So let's be honest, it's just not enough. So the traditional way to solve this problem is to work for companies that pay you to travel while you work, both for work and for leisure. If this type of content interests you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out any of future opportunities. A surprising statistics about employees who get paid to travel or receive travel incentives highlight the scale of corporate travel. In 2019, companies worldwide spent over $1.3 trillion on business travel, covering flights, hotel meals, and other costs. In the USA, pre-pandemic data, around 1.3 million business trips were taken daily. Additionally, nearly 1 of 4 business travelers extend their trip for leisure, a trend known as bleisure. Business with leisure. These figures underscore the extensive nature of employer-sponsored travel and the growing practice of combining business with leisure. Okay, guys, so let's get started because today I have 6 companies listed with a number of jobs that you can apply for where you can get paid travel. So let's get started. So the first one on the list is American Express Business Travel, and they have a website for that. You can go to the website. They have quite a few jobs that are available. So with the American Express Global Business Travel, it provides a comprehensive corporate travel management services to business worldwide. The company helps clients to manage their travel expenses. They streamline booking processes and they ensure that travel safety and satisfaction. So their travel opportunities are mostly for their client management in position. So the employees often travel to their client's location to manage those programs and build strong relationships. So in the case of conferences and events, they'll go to different events, and they also work on international projects that require them to travel to various countries to implement solutions. And with that, they get a competitive salary, and with comprehensive health and wellness programs. They get the travel allowance, which we're talking about today, and opportunities for professional development and career advancement. So once you go on their website, you can find the jobs that are available, and we're going to look at that now. And on the website, they'll have the job based off location, the type of job you're looking for, and the job category. Like for today, they have customer onboarding manager, product planning, performance manager. This is hybrid. So you can look for location. They have software development manager, backline center of excellence, meeting planner, like senior product manager. This one is in France. The one that is closer in this one is in the United States. Look at they're ready to explore your career. What we're looking for is to show you get paid to travel. So you scroll through the listing, you can read what are the requirements, what you'll be doing, oversee planning and governance, tooling, planning process, align initiative, drive features, and what they're looking for. The location is in the United States, Chicago. You receive flexible benefits and travel perks. So you get the choice of deals each week from major travel providers on everything. So you get discount on flights, to hotels, to cruise, to car rentals. Right there, you're getting deals and discount for your travel and your travel expenses. So you'll have that to your advantage, and that's where this comes in. And most of them on this site are similar. You get the similar benefit. Like for this one as well, we go down to the benefit, and as you can see, you get the travel perks here as well. And another one, they have product manager, and the product manager is in France for this one. And again, you see they'll get travel perks in what you'll find in your work contract. So, and there are lots of jobs on this website. Whether you want to search for a job in Canada, you can search location, and then you see the different jobs that are available in Canada. Or if you like different types, whether it's full-time or part-time, kind of category. If you want to change the location to the United States, you can do that. And currently, they have 34 jobs available in the United 37. So you can go through each of them and see if it's in for you. There are lots of jobs there if you're looking for jobs as well. So the next work from home company that we're talking about is TripAdvisor. And most of us were familiar with TripAdvisor. It's one of the world's largest platform, known primarily for its user-generated views of hotels, restaurants, different attractions, wherever you travel to. So here are some key aspects, like travelers can leave reviews on the TripAdvisor website of their personal experiences. Many people use it to plan their trips as well, along with the reviews. And a quick fact about TripAdvisor is that they started out as a review site and then they evolved into a booking platform. So it's another travel website. The users can now book their hotels, their flight, their vacation, restaurant, and their experiences all in the same place. So now let's talk about TripAdvisor, what they offer, the benefits to their employees, global lifestyle benefits, which the team members get annual allowance to spend on travel. And that's what we're looking on today. Can you get paid to travel while you work? So there are roles like sales representative, marketing professionals, or content creators often travel to different locations. So now let's take a quick look at their career pages, and currently on the TripAdvisor website, and we're going to scroll down to the bottom here and look for job opportunities that are available. They go to careers and asking you to find a location, or you can browse the jobs here. 60 engineering and technology job, 19 sales job, and 9 product management jobs. So let's look at one under the engineering technology. They have them at 2 different locations. So for this one, it gives you the details of what you'll be doing. So you'll implement data pipeline for marketing, work with cross-functional stakeholders. So what you'll need a bachelor degree in computer science, and the perks of working with them. You get flexible schedule, competitive packages, lifestyle benefits, and travel perks. It says, we believe that travel is employee development, so we provide discounts and more. So as you go into each job, they'll provide discounts. Probably you get discounts on the flight, on car rental, but it depends on the different ones. So you can go through again and browse through these jobs to see which one you're qualified for and which one is most suitable to you. So that's it for TripAdvisor. And next, we're going to look at the Expedia Group. And as you can see, most of these companies are within the hospitality travel industry. So we're going to look at the Expedia Group. And with Expedia is the leading global travel technology company, which operates a wide range of brands, including Expedia.com, VRBO, Orbitz, Travelocity. You have all of them under the Expedia brand. So the Expedia Group makes travel easy everywhere for everyone by offering a variety of travel services. They value and make all employees feel valued and empowered. So plus they have excellent benefits, excellent packages, including comprehensive compensation of health and wealth benefits and flexible work arrangements. Most importantly, they have travel perks and discounts. So you get 20% off hotels, 10% off other travel packages, and bonuses. So when booking a flight, there are plenty of possibilities that is required to you to travel for work. So you'll be able to explore while working. Now let's look at the Expedia website. And again, you can go through, but you just scroll down to the bottom where you have jobs over here on the left-hand side. So you look for jobs. They'll have the keyword, whether you want to search for different job title or in different countries. I'll just hit search with all that's included. And then it says 299 position, all location. So one, they need software development in technology, senior management, software development engineer. So we can look at these jobs to see what are the requirements and the benefits that you get. Like for this one, this is a full-time job. It says senior management software development engineering. And what will you do? It shows you there if you're interested, the amount of experience that you need for that job. Well, that's one job on the Expedia career group. They have all the jobs here on the Expedia group. So for this one, you have the Senior Analyst Performance Marketing. This one is in the US and it's full-time in Seattle. So you can look at that one. And what you'll do, they describe what you do there, who you are with your experiences. And for this one, the position is between 82,000 to 115,000 per year, and starting pay is based off multiple factors. And listed that you get medical, dental, pay time off, and employee assistance program to fuel each employee passion for travel. We offer a wellness and travel reimbursement, travel discount, and international airline travel agent. So you see, you have again travel benefits for those who are working with the Expedia group. But then there are lots of jobs that are available if you're interested in any. It doesn't have to be traveling if you're just looking for a job, but you want to find those that you get travel benefits as. That's what we're talking about today. So that's it for Expedia. And then we're going to move to the next one on my list. The Hilton Worldwide is a leading global hospitality company with a portfolio of 18 world-class brands comprising. So there are many brands in the Hilton brand, known for providing exceptional guest experiences and innovative hospitality solutions. For the travel opportunities, employees in the roles of sales and marketing, they travel to various locations to develop and implement sales and strategy and to attend shows and meetings with clients. They have team responsibilities for opening different hotels, for renovating existing ones, and employees travel to different hotels to ensure that standards are met and for them to provide support. So they get competitive pay and travel discount perks with the Hilton, as well as health benefits and career development. So let's go to the Hilton Worldwide website, and you can scroll to see the different job opportunities that are available. Like for this one, the senior management in the management position, you have the job description here, what you'll be doing as a senior manager. There's what are they looking for, so what are the qualifications that have to be met, minimum experience of 10 years, and what we're working for the Hilton like. With the spanning lodging sectors from luxurious full-service hotel and resort to extended stay in suite mid-price hotels. They had offered business and leisure travelers for the finest accommodation. In New York, and you have the job description there, how will we support you? Hilton Travel Program, 100 nights of discounted travel with room rates as low as $40 per night. So as an employee, you get $40 per night here with discount. So these are the benefits that you'll get, and that included, travel is included in that. So that's another travel perk for a representative partnership. So you can just browse around on the website again for the jobs that are most suitable to you, and you can find one that they'll pay. If it's within your area of profession, you have the travel benefits of working with the Hilton Group. They have loyalty pro, cluster revenue manager, intern, brand management. There are lots of positions available on the Hilton job website. So next on the list now, I have PayOrc is a financial technology company that offers an all-in-one pen management solution for businesses. Platform simplifies and automates the management company expenses, payments, and financial processes. They have a culture of innovation, creativity, and offer flexibility to working hours and remote work options. So that's very good. They provide competitive salaries, care, wellness program, and learning and career development. They have a very good vacation policy, and they have career opportunities across various departments, including engineer, product management, sales, marketing, and finance, human resources. So let's go to the PayOrc website, and we're now on the PayOrc website, and we're going to look at the jobs that are available on PayOrc. You go to careers, most times it's always down at the bottom, so you want to look for that. And for this one, they have again quite a few jobs that are available, but most are Amsterdam, Barcelona. So let's look at, for example, this one, account executive. So it's a full-time job in Amsterdam, and you have the company mission there. You have the role and responsibilities, at least 3 years experience, and the qualification that you need to have. Company benefits that you get here. So we're looking for the travel opportunity. You get 30 days holiday paid leave. So we can take a look at another one, country developer in Sofia. You have the company's mission, you have the role, about the role, the requirement, 7 years of experience, 30-day holiday, paid leave, flexible working hours here with opportunity to work from home, and opportunity to use PayOrc product with a monthly, so they get a month travel allowance as well. For this one, you get multiple allowance because this one is in Paris, and you get monthly travel allowance. So again, you're going to go through this one and see what's available and what is best suited for you. Well guys, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me on another video as we talk about getting employed and getting paid to travel. Yes, I hope you find some resources here. Maybe apply for one of these jobs and get paid to travel as well. So those are the 5 companies that will help you to travel while you work. So let's go through the list again. You have the American Express Global Business Travel. Then you have TripAdvisor, then you have Expedia Group, Ton Worldwide, and PayOrc. So those are the 5 companies that we covered today. And thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me on my video today. Remember to turn your passion for travel into a paycheck, and make sure you check out these companies. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you're successful in applying for one of these jobs. Okay.